Hey, Big M team, it's Whitney Stokes. We are today with another operational spotlight. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you guys to our Director of Marketing and Sales, Mr. Lawrence Massengill. So, hey, Lawrence.
Hey, Whitney.
Thanks so much for being with us today. Today, we are going to be featuring specifically our marketing team, and Lawrence will tell you a little bit more about behind the scenes of marketing and how they have contributed over the last couple of months here at Big M.
Thank you, and appreciate the operational spotlight for the marketing team. It's the goal of the marketing team to really put forth a professional product that represents Big M well and informs our enterprise of what's going on in the organization. And for our drivers in particular, we've heard you needing more information, needing more insights about what's going on. I hope you have enjoyed more of the content coming your way through our talk series called Big M Talk. You can expect some more videos throughout the year to keep you informed on what's going on there. And then got to give a special shout out to Lauren Lindsay. She is often behind the camera, but she is the one that makes all this professional content possible and really does a great job of representing Big M well with what we put out into the social media space. Lastly, the truck driver appreciation going on this month. A lot of behind the scenes work goes into putting that production together and well worth it so that we can properly celebrate our dedicated drivers. We are thrilled to have finished our first day today, and we got three more truck driver appreciation events coming up to close out the month.
Awesome. Well, Lawrence, thanks again for all the insight. Drivers, make sure that you come down every Friday during the month of September. So, again, we appreciate all of our Big M employees, but during this time of the month, specifically our drivers. So, let's show up, show out, and roll on.